Welcome students. In the series of types of agriculture, the new type of agriculture, that is plantation agriculture. Plantation agriculture, in which the major crops are tea, coffee, rubber, cocoa and spices. These products wherever are taken in the agriculture, that is called plantation agriculture. Now we'll see the characteristics of agriculture. The first is large size of farm. Definitely the plantation agriculture is a commercial type of agriculture, and so it is but obvious that the size of farm is huge. Second is capital intensive. Now tea, coffee, rubber, cocoa, spices, these are the products. They are growing in the tropical areas. In the tropical areas, especially on the slopes, on the hill slopes. In this agriculture, the local labor is required, and these laborers, they are skilled laborers. The tea plantation, in which the plucking of tea leaves is a really skilled task, and so the laborers who are required for this agriculture, they are skilled, and that is why they are charging high cost. The tropical areas, so climate is quite humid, and so the diseases spread on the plants, so the cost is for pesticides. To grow the crop, fertilizers are required, skilled laborers, then the transportation, communication and so on. So for this type of agriculture, the capital requirement is high. The another characteristic, that is this type of agriculture is a monoculture agriculture. Monoculture means a single crop is taken in agriculture. So in tea plantation, you might have seen the whole plantation, only a tea crop is there. In coffee plantation, only coffee trees are there. In rubber plantation, only rubber plantation is there. In between, there are no different types of any trees. Even for the spices, cocoa, only the one single crop is taken in agriculture. So this type of agriculture is called monoculture. Local laborers are employed. Obviously, the laborers who are required for this agriculture, any agriculture where labor requirement is there, the local laborers are hired. Crop managed for quality and processing. Yes, all these crops, they are managed for the quality and processing. Per hectare low, but total production is high, because the huge size of farm, so the huge production is taken from the agriculture. Once plantation production is 10 to 15 years. So it is one of the major characteristic of agriculture, that is once the tea plantation is done, once coffee, cocoa, rubber plantation is done, after that only every year, after the harvesting, the production is taken. There is no again plantation, same like wheat, jowar, bajra, all these crops we need to sow the seeds every after the harvesting. But here in these types of crops, once you sow the seeds, once the crop grow, only the harvesting, no sowing seeds every time. So this is one of the major characteristic, that once plantation is done, the production is taken 10 to 15 years. Now, the regions all over the world where the products tea, coffee, rubber, cocoa, spices are taken. The areas are Malaysia, India, Sri Lanka, Brazil, Indonesia, Caribbean islands, Philippines, Thailand, Vietnam. So these are the areas. Now what is the location of these areas? The location is tropical regions. In tropical regions, humid climate is there, and humid climate is required for these crops. So these crops are taken in these areas which are in tropical regions. So plantation agriculture, and these are the characteristics. Thank you.